Hello and welcome to my DIY lava lamp experiment. So today we are going to need a few items, and in order to show a reaction and produce a DIY lava lamp, we will need the following items. One clean empty bottle, like such. I'm going to use a Gatorade bottle. Water, oil, food coloring, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. So what are we hoping to achieve? In today's experiment, we will be making a DIY lava lamp out of those items that we discussed in the previous slide, and by using these items, we will watch a chemical reaction occur inside the bottle that produces a lava lamp effect. So who invented the first lava lamp? The lava lamp was created in 1963 by a British entrepreneur, Edward Craven Walker. It contains a bolus of special colored wax mixture inside a glass vessel, the remainder of which contains clear or translucent liquid, and the glass is then placed over an incandescent bulb which heats the wax. So how does the process work? What we're going to do is, as stated in the last slide, there is an incandescent bulb whose heat causes temporary reductions in the wax density and the liquid surface tension. In this experiment, we will see a different reaction occur. Oil floats on the surface because water is heavier than oil, and the Alka-Seltzer tablet reacts with the water to produce tiny bubbles of carbon dioxide gas. The bubbles attach themselves to the blobs of colored water, which we're using the food coloring for, and then it causes them to float to the surface. So what is the limiting reactant here? In this chemical reaction, the limiting reactant would be the Alka-Seltzer tablet, and the reason for that is the tablet is the limiting reactant because the Alka-Seltzer will eventually run out and will no longer be able to produce the chemical reaction. So the water, the oil, and the food coloring are actually always going to be there. The Alka-Seltzer tablet is the only one that runs out. So that would be our limiting reactant. Now, let us begin our experiment, and below I will add, in the ratios of the actual bottle, 1/4 of a cup of water, 1/2 a cup of vegetable oil, 10 drops of food coloring, and finally 2 pieces of an Alka-Seltzer tablet. Okay, so we have our bottle, and without spilling this, I'm going to do my best to try to fill up the bottom about 1/4 of the way. So that was about perfect. We've got 1/4 of the bottle filled up. And next, we're going to fill up the oil. And we're going to leave about 1/4 of some room at the top so that we can drop the Alka-Seltzer tablets in and actually see what's going on. So obviously our water and our oil aren't mixing, so that's going to be at the bottom. Oil is on the top. So after that, we're going to take food coloring. We are going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 of those, and as you can see, it's kind of doing its thing at the bottom. Now for the fun part. Take 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet. I'm going to put this right here, and we'll see. So I'm going to break this up into little pieces and slowly drop them in. And as you can see, what's happening is it's creating that lava lamp effect by creating that carbon dioxide gas and pushing all of those molecules upwards. And this is actually pretty cool. This is a little bit more than I was hoping that it would do, which is really awesome. So it's really creating a heavy reaction, which is really cool. And as you can see, they're kind of filtering because some of them get heavier, some of them get lighter, and then eventually they will stop because our limiting reactant is our Alka-Seltzer, which is super, super cool. All right, thank you guys.